So hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IAS. Now this is a short discussion session where I'll be telling you about the course on daily answer writing for political science and international relations. So basically this was a routine course for us, this was a going on course, but then the prelims came in and a lot of people thought that okay, kahan gaya, where is DAW? And you need to understand this thing that when the prelims were near, we on our own understood it well enough that even it doesn't make sense to make anyone write mains answer in the month of March, April, May. But now when mains is near, when prelims is done, this is actually the most appropriate time to restart your daily answer writing practice. Okay, if you have a span of July, August and part of September also, somewhere around 75 days you have, 15 September nearby is the examination date, exams will start. So out of those 75 days, if you are writing your paper, DAWs also, you will have in sense somewhat of a 60-65 questions and through that 60-65 topics. Although this course is, I personally suggest this course is for those students who are in the initial phases of their preparation, or they have done your foundation course and looking for something to start their routine practice of optional. So let's discuss a bit about this course, what is Sunya IAS offering you as of now, and then we'll talk further details. So chalo. So daily answer writing course, question, features and model answers. Okay, now what will happen, how it all works? Look, it's a very simple thing. Okay, it doesn't really matter what you know unless until you are able to pen it down on a sheet of paper within a 3-hour period. That is how UPSC work. आपको पूरे ब्रह्मांड की का ज्ञान होगा, लेकिन अगर आप पेज पे उसको उतार नहीं सकते हैं 3 घंटे में, so it's all futile as far as civil service examination is concerned. So what is the solution? What is the way forward? The way forward is, frankly speaking, it is more important to know how to write, how to structure, what to write, what not to write, than to even know that what is the content. This sounds pretty absurd, but yes, this is a true thing that many a time people who have a better writing capability than the knowledge base gets into the recommended list. Okay, and how now we are going to tackle this situation? The tackling situation is very easy. It's we all know that it's a continuous process. It's not an overnight thing. It's not like you will read things tonight and go and put on sheet of paper tomorrow. It won't work like that. The information is not only have to be in your head, but the structure, how you will use how you will take out the keywords from a question and how you will put it on a sheet of paper, that is also important. That has to be back of your hand. Otherwise, you won't be able to write the answers in that so-called 6-minute. That is how we frame that you will be able to write the answers in 6 minutes period, a single answer. Now, what we are going to offer in this course, or what you will be, how it will help you, let me explain you a bit. There will be a question. Okay, there will be a question every morning. Okay, every morning a question will be uploaded on the portal, on the Sunya IAS website. The access will also be given in Sunya IAS Telegram group, so I'll urge you all to join it. Okay, the link will be in description, as well as the website link will also be in description. So the questions will be uploaded and a sheet will also be uploaded. So what you can do, either you can write on your own sheet, okay, personal A4 sheet, but it is highly recommended that you download the whole question paper as such and then print it out, because then it will also provide you the feel of the way it is to be written in the examination. The margins and all those things will also be there. Fine. Then it is expected that you will write the answer on your own. You will download the question every morning, you will write the answer on your own, and before next morning, within 24 hours of period, you will have to upload the question or the written answer in a sense. That evening itself will also upload the answer, a proper solution. It won't be an approach जैसा होता है कि अच्छा क्वेश्चन बता दिया, अप्रोच बता दिया. No, it won't be an approach. It will be a proper full-fledged written answer. So the answer will also be given to you. Now question is there, answer is there. What you can do, you can actually match up your own answer. but not only that, the answer which you have written and have uploaded, that is the part, you have to upload your written answer. You just have to click a picture. It is more preferable that you will send the picture in the PDF format. So you'll upload the PDF format, and proper evaluators will evaluate it and give you proper recommendation. That will be a thoroughly process through which it will go through, and it will be done. You'll be synced. You'll also be getting help from the mentors if in case where you'll be facing difficulties. Okay, the support team will also be always be with you. Now, why this whole plan has been initiated, okay, and how evaluation works, let me explain this thing to you. Even answer writing has two parts. Chalo, one day you decided, okay, I'll write the answer, but what after that? 2 दिन आंसर लिखते हैं, तीसरे दिन नहीं लिखते. You will write it for 2 days, 3 days, and the third or fourth, fifth day, it is all gone. So that thing has to end. How it will end? It will end because there will be a proper pattern. There will be other people who will be writing the answers. Okay, peer pressure works a lot here. सब कर रहे हैं, आप भी कर लोगे. That's how it works. Then, if the questions are getting uploaded daily and you also know that the answers are getting checked daily, and you will start looking into it that your structure is getting evolved with every passing day, you will also improve and you will try to do things on your own also. So that is a very good part. In the evaluation, proper marking schemes will be provided, and not only that, the properly checked answers will have, along with marks, proper argumentation and recommendation how to improve that very part of the question. Suppose you are suppose you are capable of writing the introduction part but not that good at the body part, because the way optionals are written are very different than GS answer. Or maybe you are even well enough, you are doing a well enough effort to write the body part, but when it comes to writing the conclusion, you have starting a new topic itself in conclusion. Many times it happens, a lot of students do this thing, कि conclusion में लिखते लिखते they are reminded that oh I missed that point, और वो आपने conclusion में ही add कर दिया. You don't have to do such a thing. वो पूरे answer का structure ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है, and the best part is कि it's not useful. Okay, because what you have to convey in the message as a message in your answer is already done in the body part. So conclusion is basically a summarization part. So writing, how to write a proper conclusion, it's an art itself, and those things will also be done here. Now, as I was telling you, model answer, proper model answer, and the precise model answer, which is expected that if you will tabulate or you will just put a mirror image of that particular answer in that very examination, you will be fetching 80% of the marks. So if 10 marker question is, you will get the 8 marks. So such a well defined, well written answer will be provided from every evening. Okay, so it will be a ongoing process, okay, except Sundays. Every week 6 questions, 6 answers. It won't take a much of a toll on you. Once you will get into the process, you will be able to download the stuff, write the answer and upload it usually within 10 to 15 minutes. And doing a 10 to 15 minutes exercise a day won't be that big a issue. Okay, so it is doable. Okay. Now, let's discuss few important things. For example, here is a listing. Your daily answer writing starts in June. Now, 1st of June it will start, and you will see that we will start from the very initial topics where Pol Science starts from. So, in the month of June, we will work on Political Science Paper 1 Section A. In month of July, we will work on Political Science Paper 1 Section B. In month of August, we will work on Political Science Paper 2 Section A. And the month of September, we will work on Political Science Paper 2 Section B. And easily done. This is how you have to approach. This is how you have to do. Fine. So keep this thing in mind and then proceed. This is just for an explanation. This is the screenshot of the paper which was asked in 2022. And if you'll see here, this is from paper number 2, International Relations Theory and the whole idea. And this is the question paper. So keep this thing in mind and then write the answer. Fine. Chali. So ultimately, let me summarize the whole work for you, what we are offering and how it will help you. So daily 1 questions except Sunday. Let me mention this thing because I also don't want to stress you too much. Okay, so there should be a day off in a week, so Sundays will be off. Okay, after that high yield questions, practical from to be practiced from various sections, as I told you, on a monthly basis. All the 4 sections will be covered. So if you follow it for a whole year, you will be able to finish off somewhere around whole syllabus thrice. And whole syllabus thrice means you will be doing almost every topic through PYQ itself. So that is very good. Fine. So keep that thing in mind. High quality personalized evaluation will be provided, as I told you, and the period of submission and return of the evaluated answers is 24 to 48 hours. That means that if on June 1st a question paper is uploaded on suppose 10 AM, okay, and you sat and you wrote the answer at 12 PM, you uploaded the paper at 12:30 PM on June 1st, okay, the answer as in proper model answer will be uploaded and will be accessible by you by 5 PM June 1st, and you will get your evaluated sheet, your evaluated answer sheet by 2nd of June afternoon 12 PM to between 3rd of June afternoon 12 PM. That is how it will work. Okay, within 24 hours to 48 hours of your submission, you will get the answer sheet. So that is how, because a lot of students get confused ki by what time you will be returning our sheet, because then you have to schedule other answers also. This is how it will work. The links with details, the costing, where you have to pick up the questions, where you have to submit the answer, everything will be there below the video in the description section. You can pick those details from there. Please make sure to register as soon as possible, because there are also fixed number of seats because the team has a certain limitation of how many papers we can check, because last time it used to happen every month that after a certain date we have to stop, that no more new admissions will be happening. So make sure that take your admission as soon as possible, and yeah, that is all. Make sure to share this video for all your friends also who are preparing for civil service examination with political science optional and are in a process to start writing answers. Okay, that will be all for now. Okay, thanks a lot for going through the session, and let's catch up via the team. If anything comes up, you can approach the team and resolve the issues. Thank you and have a nice day.